Are you ready to turn your passion for blogging into a thriving business? In this video, we'll explore step-by-step how to monetize your blog effectively. I'm breaking down the exact steps you can use to turn your blog into a full-time online business. Yes, one that actually pays your bills and gives you freedom. If you're serious about growing your blog this year, stick around until the end because I'll show you the most profitable blog monetization methods you can start today. Now, most blogs quit because they don't know how to turn traffic into income. But if you follow the system I'm about to show you, you can create multiple income streams from just one blog. Let's dive in. 1. Pick a profitable niche. First, let's talk niche. A blog becomes a business when your niche solves real problems. Some of the most profitable blog niches include personal finance, digital marketing, health and fitness, tech and gadgets, parenting and lifestyle, D and craft, software and AI tools. Ask yourself, does my niche have products people buy? Are there brands willing to pay for exposure? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. 2. Build a brand, not just a blog. To turn your blog into a real business, you need a strong brand. That means a memorable domain name, a clean, professional website, a clear message of who you help, and have consistent posting and visual style. People don't follow random blogs anymore. They follow brands that speak directly to their needs. 3. Create content that drives traffic. You cannot run a profitable online business without traffic. The good news: blogs still rank like crazy on Google if you create the right content. Here's what works today: optimized articles, step-by-step tutorials, comparison posts like Tool A versus Tool B, product reviews, listicles, evergreen guides. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or RFs to find keywords with high demand and low competition. 4. Build an email list. This is where your blog becomes a business. Social media is great, but your email list is where the money truly comes from. Offer a simple lead magnet like a free checklist, a mini ebook, a resource list, a free course. Use tools like MailerLite, ConvertKit. Once they're on your list, you can guide them to the products and services you sell. 5. Monetization. Turn traffic into income. Alright, let's talk money. Here are the most powerful ways to turn your blog into a full-time business. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you use and earn commissions. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning. 2. Display ads. You can join ad networks like Google AdSense, Ezoic, or Mediavine once you start getting traffic. 3. Digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, printables. These have huge profit margins. 4. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to review their products once your blog gets attention. 5. Services. Offer freelance writing, coaching, consulting, or design services based on your niche. 6. Build systems for growth. To scale your blog into a full-time business, you need systems: content calendar, email marketing automation, SEO strategy, regular traffic analysis, outsourcing tasks like graphics or formatting. Create high-quality content consistently. Share valuable information your audience needs. Then, build an engaged audience. Use social media to connect and promote your content. After that, explore monetization options. Consider advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Start by signing up for Google AdSense. It's a great way to earn ad revenue. Then, join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Promote products you truly believe in. Treat your blog like a business, and it will pay you like one. Closing. So there you have it, the complete roadmap to turn your blog into a full-time online business. Start with the niche, build your brand, create valuable content, grow your email list, and monetize smartly. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment saying BLOGGING, and don't forget to subscribe for more online income tips.